पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद उद्गीत ब्राह्मण पेज नंबर 89. Actual last line we have to see. So the topic is Kamya Karma and Nitya Karma. Purvapakshi said Kamya Karma is because of Ajnanam. Therefore, when Jnanam takes place, Ajnanam is not there. So Kamya Karma Hetu is not there. Therefore, Kamya Karma he need not do, Jnani. But Nitya Karma he should do. Because its origin is not in Ajnanam. Siddhanti is saying Kamya Karma is out of desire for a specific Kamana, like Swargadi. Nitya Karma is for person who has Samanya Kamana. What is this? Avishesha. Shabda was used. Avishesha. What is that? Avishesha Kamana. Ishtam me bhuyat. Anishtam ma bhut. So this is in general Sarva Prani Sadharan. Everybody wants this. Avishesha Kamana Aviprerita Avishesha Pravritti Yuktasya. This we saw in Tika. Now you see Bhashya. Tat Prerita from that. Last line. Tat Prerita Avishesha Pravritti. Ishta Anishta Prapti Parihararthino Nityani Karmani Vidiyante. Na Kevalam Shastra Nimittani Eva. So the person who is prompted by Ishta Prapti Anishta Parihara Raga Dvesha Doshavataha Tat Prerita Avishesha Pravritte, for such person Ishtanishta Prapti Parihararthinaha Ishta Prapti Anishta Parihararthinaha Nityani Karmani Vidiyante. For such person Nitya Karma Vidhanam is done. Na Kevalam Shastra Nimittani. Just because it is Shastriya Karma, therefore you are doing is not true. Even Nitya Karma, you are doing it because you have this desire. Ishta Prapti, Anishta Parihara. And you will get that phalam also. Yesterday I mentioned, according to Mimamsakas, they don't accept the punya of Nitya Karma, but Akarane Pratyavaya. According to Vedanta, if you do Nitya Karma, you will get punya. If you don't do, you will not get punya. Tika. Swarga Kamaha, so page number 90, first line. Swarga Kamaha, Pashu Kamaha, iti Vishesharthinaha Kamyani. Vishesha Kamanas are like person who wants Swarga, Pashu, etc. Kamyani Karmani. Vishesharthinaha Kamyani, Kamyani Karmani. Vidiyante. In this way, you have to finish the Vakya. Avishesha Pravritti Yuktasya Nimittani Vidiyante. Swarga Kamaha, Pashu Kamaha, iti Vishesharthinaha Kamyani Karmani Vidiyante. He has these karmas to be done. Tulyantu Ubhayesham Kevala Shastra अनिमित्तत्वम इत्यर्थः. केवल शास्त्र is the nimitta. Just because it is said in shastra, therefore he is doing is not true. It is there in shastra is true, but because this person also has some desire, therefore he has to do. Further, kincha काम्यानां दुष्टत्वं ब्रुवता इत्यानामपि तत् इष्टम् उत्पत्ति विनियोग प्रयोग अधिकार विधि रूपे विशेषाभावात् इत्याह. Those who have already studied Artha Sangraha, they know now. Utpatti vidhi, viniyoga vidhi, prayoga vidhi, adhikara vidhi. All these vidhis are given there. What is Purvapakshi saying? Okay. Kamya karma, they have dushtatvam. There is a dosha. So it is starting from dosha. Nitya karma doesn't have dosha. If Purvapakshi says that, Siddhanti says, Nityanamapi tad ishtam. Means Nitya karma also has the same doshas. It is also arising from the dosha. Just as Kamya karma has dosha, Nitya karma also has dosha. Dushtatvam. Not only that, how do you say this? Utpatti vidhi, viniyoga vidhi, prayog vidhi, adhikara vidhi, they are same. Vishesha bhava. In other words, whether you are doing Kamya Agnihotra or Nitya Agnihotra, Utpatti vidhi, viniyoga vidhi, prayog vidhi, adhikara vidhi will be same. If you any other yaga, out of Kamana or as part of Nitya karma, these things don't change. Vishesha bhavat. Vidyaha. So this is Siddhanti explaining Purvapakshi. Nacha Agnihotra Darsha Purnamasa Chaturmasya Pashubandha Somanam Karmanam. Different kinds of karmas are given. Karmanam Swataha Kamyatva Nityatva Viveko Asti. By itself, whether that karma is Kamya karma or Nitya karma, that Viveka is not there. By itself, you can't say if it is Agnihotra, it is Kamya karma. If it is Darsha Purnamasa, it is Kamya karma. That you cannot say. Darsha Purnamasa is Prakriti or Vikriti. Prakriti for which kind of yaga? How many kinds of yagas we saw or I explained which has three kinds of Prakriti?
Ishti yaga, Pashu yaga, and Soma yaga.
Correct.
Darsha Purnamasa was for Ishti yaga.
Where Dadi, Paya, Ityadi is used. That is the Ishti, Darsha Purnamasa. Second one is Pashu yaga. So Pashubandha is used.
Soma.
So that Drashtanta. And third is Soma. So here they have given Samastapada Somanam Shashti Bhavachanam. Agnihotra Darsha Purna. Agnihotra Drashtanta is given because it is Samanya in general used everywhere. So Agnihotra, Darsha Purnamasa, Chaturmasya, Pashubandha, Soma. All kinds of Prakriti of the three are also given. Karmanam. See, this is how, if this knowledge of that much of Artha Sangra is there, then some of these terms become familiar. I know what is said here. So by themselves, these karmas are not kamya. By themselves, they are not nitya karma. Katham tarhi kamya nitya vibhagas tatra. Then how there is vibhaga that this is kamya karma, this is nitya karma. कर्तृगतेन ही स्वर्गादि काम दोषेण कामार्थता. कर्तृगत, kama. Kamana is there in the karta. Kartrugatena swargadi kama doshena. This dosha is there in the karta. Because of that, it has become kamya karma. Then it will become kamya karma. If you don't have kamana and still you do, it will be nitya karma, or it will just produce punya for your chitta shuddhi. In other words, Veda doesn't say it is this kind or that kind. Desire in the person, whether it is kamya karma or nitya karma, do I want this phalam or chitta shuddhi phalam? A particular pashu or swarga ityadi phalam I want, or I am just doing it so that I will get chitta shuddhi. टीका स्वर्ग कामः पशु कामः इति विशेषार्थिनः काम्य विधिः इष्टं मे स्यात् अनिष्टं मा भूत् इति अविशेष काम प्रेरित अविशेषित प्रवृत्तिमतः नित्य विधिः इति युक्तम् इत्यर्थः. पर्सन हु इज स्वर्ग कामः पशु कामः, स्वर्ग कामः, how will you do vigraha? Swargah kamah means vishayah. Swargah kamah means kamana vishayah. Kama here means kamyate iti kamah. That which is desired is called kama. Swargah kama. So swarga kama means the one who has desire for swarga. Swargah kamah means kamana vishayah yasya saha swarga kamah. Iti vishesharthinah kamya vidhi. For that it is kamya. इष्टम में स्याद अनिष्टम मा भूत इति अविशेष काम प्रेरित अविशेषित प्रवृत्ति मता. The one who has अविशेष प्रवृत्ति, it's he will do general प्रवृत्ति मता. For that person it is nitya vidhi. This will become nitya karma. So like Agnihotra, there are both types. There is Kamya Agnihotra, Nitya Agnihotra. And there is Masika Agnihotra also. At the end of the month you have to do. This is something different. But that's a different way of classification. Nanu avidyadi doshavataha nityani karmani iti ayuktam. परमात्म ज्ञानवतोपि यावत् जीव श्रुतेः तेषाम् अनुष्ठेयत्वात् इति आशंक्य. Purvapakshi says, but in Shruti it is said that yavat jive agnihotram juhoti. So avidyadi dosha also, only the one who has avidyadi dosha, that person should do nitya karma. Avidyadi dosha vataha nityani karmani iti ayuktam. Avidyadi doshvatah षष्ठी भक्ति. Avidyadi dosho yasya. You see, bahurihi samasa you don't have to do when there is matu pratyaya. Matu pratyaya itself is bahurihi. Like dhanavan. So how do we say? Dhanam yasya asti iti dhanavan. So then you don't need to do bahurihi samasa there. Matu pratyaya itself takes care of it. Avidyadi doshavatah nityani karmani iti ayuktam. Why? Paramatma jnanavatah. The one who has Brahma jnanam. Shruti says, as long as you live, you have to do Agnihotra. Anushtanam you have to do. Iti ashankya. Shrutehe avirakta vishayatvat maivam. This Shruti is only for Avirakta person who does not have vairagya, that person should do. Shrutehe avirakta vishayatvat maivam ityah. 13 number tippani we are going to see in detail. First, let us just see the bhashya. तथा अविद्यादि दोषवतः स्वभाव प्राप्त इष्ट अनिष्ट प्राप्ति परिहारार्थिनस तदर्थान्येव नित्यानि इति युक्तम तम प्रति विहितत्वात्. अविद्यादि दोषवतः, what Siddhanti already said, that person who has avidya, because of avidya only you have this desire, ishtam me syat, anishtam ma bhut. Because if I have the knowledge, I am Brahma, what ishtam can happen to Brahma? What anishtam can happen to Brahma? Nothing. If you are already infinite, you can't add anything more and say, may I get something more, something greater. Ishta prapti is not needed. Why? I am already complete. Anishta parihara, the one who is infinite, what anishta can come? Nothing can come. So even this desire, ishtam me syat, anishtam me ma, anishtam ma bhut, this desire will be for ajnani. So now whenever you have this desire also, anytime if it, oh, this is anishtam for me, you say, I am Brahma. There is no anishta for me. There is no ishta for me. If I do this puja, I will get some ishta. You have to drop that thought also. If I do this some good action, I will, not that you stop doing the good thing. You do it, not for ishta prapti, not for anishta parihara. I am Brahma, therefore this karma and Brahma has no sambandha itself. Ganga Snanam will not add some punya for me because I am Brahma. This has to be clear in anything that you do. So Ishta Prapti, Anishta Parihara, this thought is only for Ajnani. Tadarthani eva nityani. For that person, Nitya Karma is given. This is not the first time it is given elsewhere also. Iti yuktam tam prati vihitatva. So it is appropriate that tam prati means the one who has avidyadi doshavantam prati. Nikhila anartha bija avidyadi doshavantam pumansam prati. It is appropriate that it is prescribed, it is enjoined for Ajnani. Because he still has this desire, ishtam me bhuyat, anishtam ma. He may not have specific desire, swargadi, but he still doesn't want anishta. Means he thinks I am ahankara. And he wants to protect that ahankara within some sukham. To nitya karma. Now let's see 13 number tippani. It's a big tippani actually. Let's finish that bhashya part first. Na paramatma yathatmya vijnanavataha shamopaya vyatirekena kinchit karma vihitam upalapyate. The one who has paramatma yathatmya vijnanam, paramatma yathatmya vijnanavataha, शम उपाय व्यतिरेकेण. Shama here means that is given in the next Bhagavad Gita quotation. Yoga rudasya tasyaiva shamah karanam uchyate. Karanam, not karanam uchyate. Correction. Next page in Anand Giri Tika. Yoga rudasya tasyaiva shamah karanam uchyate. What is the previous line?
आरुरुक्ष मुनेर् कर्म
आरुरुक्षोर मुनेर्योगम
कारणमुच्यते.
कर्म कारणम उच्यते. Karma, a person who is arurukshu, that person should do karma. Karanam means sadhanam. Karanam means sadhanam. So for this person who already has jnanam, is a yoga ruda, only shama. What is the meaning of shama?
ध्यानम in Gita.
Dhyanam in Gita. In the 6th chapter, that is what is prescribed. That all he has to do means he has to do nididhyasanam. Dhyanam there means nididhyasana. It is yoga ruta. Now see that tippani, 13 number. Shrutehe avirakta iti. That shruti is for avirakta person. Yavat jiva shrutehe kamadi dosha apahrita manasa vishayakatvat ityartha. That yavat jiva shruti is for the person whose mind is taken away by kamadi dosha. Kamadi dosha apahrita manasa vishayakatvat. That person is addressed. For you lifelong you will have to do karma. Why? Because that person is such that kamana takes away that person's mind here, there, all the time. For that person, yavat jiva shruti is there. So for that, in Ishavasya it was said, Kurvan neveha karmani jijivishe. You want to live, you will have to do karma. That person does not see. Once in a while, if some kamana comes and if your mind goes somewhere and immediately if you are able to bring it back, that person can do Shravanadi. Person who is sitting in the class and mind flies somewhere. Or elsewhere also, you are sitting, book is there, mind goes somewhere. Get into karma. Only short time you do Shravana. Nanu. रागादि दुष्टस्य कर्माधिकारे तथा विदस्य एव मुमुक्षोर ज्ञानाधिकारो अपि इति न विशेषो ज्ञान कर्मणोः. रागादि दुष्टस्य कर्माधिकार. If you say that, then mumukshu also mumukshoho ज्ञानाधिकारो अपि न विशेषो. Why? Because mumukshoho अपि मोक्षे रागात्. You are saying person who has raga has to do karma. Mumukshu also has raga for moksha. Therefore, he also should do karma. Iti ashankya samadaduhu vartikacharyaha. This is given in Vartika. Samadaduhu. What is the dhatu? Dudhai. Dudhai. Lit lakar. Dadhau, dadatuhu, daduhu. Sam and are upasarga. Dadhau, dadatuhu, daduhu. Samadaduhu. Means Acharya is doing samadhanam of this prashna. That he also has, mumukshu also has raga. So mumukshu also has to do karma. तथा ही. These are the shlokas now. आविरिञ्चाद्विरक्तस्य तद्विविक्तात्मकामिनः मोक्षे पुंसोऽधिकारस्यात् न कामापहृतात्मनः. आविरिञ्चात् विरक्तस्य. Virincha means Brahma. Person who has vairagya up to the position of Brahma. At least if we hear these 10 times, that much vairagya you are expecting, that much vairagya you are expecting. Some vairagya will come. Finally, you say, I don't want anything. Nobody is going to offer you Brahmaji's position. But at least some chota motu, I want this, I want some chocolate like that. That vairagya also you should have. That is good. Virinchad viraktasya. Tad viviktatmakaminaha. Person tad vivikta atmakamina. Only that I want. Only Brahma. Vivikta, separated from everything. Mokshe pumso adhikaraha syat. For such person, mokshe adhikaraha syat. Na kama apahrita atmanaha. Kamena apahritam atma. Apahrita atma antakaranam yasya. Saha kama apahrita atma. Not for such person. After studying so many texts, after studying Brihadaranyaka also almost 90 pages, still you are saying only if you want Brahma, then otherwise you have to do karma. Paracha kama nityevam kama nitya param tatha yo kama iti tadvacha shruti kama nishedhini. Actually, the explanation for these shlokas is given on next page in Tika. Normally, okay, let me tell you, whenever we have not come across Vartika blocks yet, but this is Vartika. In these, shlokas are there and then explanation is also there. First all shlokas, then all explanation. So you will find on next page in Tika, see, Etesham Vyakhyanam, first line at the end of Tika. Sorry, not Tika, Tippani. Etesham Vyakhyanam, Avirinchat iti, Acha sthanoho samsarat iti sheshana. All the way up to means sthanu, starting from sthanu all the way up to Brahma. Anitya samsara vishayas tat shabda. Anitya samsara vishaya tat shabda. That tat shabda is tad viviktatmakamina. Separating anitya samsara, what remains is that moksha shabda to moksha shabdas tad upaya jnana vishaya. Moksha upaya jnana vishaya. Sadhana chatushta vishishto hi mokshopaya jnane adhikari na ragadiman. Everybody knows where I am reading?
Yes,
Online?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, yes.
Na ragadiman. Atha shabdopatta nyaya virodhad ityarthah. So such sadhan chatushta vishishta person has moksha adhikara. Not the person who has raga, etc. Why? Why na ragadiman? Why?
Antakarana Suddhi.
No, what? Which shabda? You just read Atha Shabda. Atha Shabda Upatta Nyaya Virodhat. What is Atha Shabda? Atha Shabda Adima Brahma Sutra Ghatako Bodhya. In Atha to Brahma Jignasa, Atha Shabda will have Virodha if you allow person with Raga to seek moksha. How he has given? This is Anand Giriji's Tika. This explanation is most likely, I didn't have time to check, but these are Anand Giriji. Anand Giriji has written Tika on Vartika also. More than 11,000 shlokas are there. On that, Anand Giriji has written Vartika. How much? They are not interested in anything else. Adima is the Shabda. Huh? Adi, just as Adi is a Shabda, Adima is also Shabda. Adimam Sutram. So Adima. Athato Brahma. So Brahma Sutra Ghatakaha. Adima Brahma Sutram is Athato Brahma Jignasa. Tad Ghatakaha Kaha Shabdaha Atha Shabdaha. Atha Shabdaha Bodhyaha. Tasya Sadhana Sampatti Anantaryarthatvat. Atha means Sadhana Sampatti Anantaryam. Arthatvatcha. Arthatvat Nyayascha Tatra Ukta Yukti Kalapaha. It is appropriate that Nyayaha. Nyaya also means Brahma Sutra in Vedanta Darshan, Nyaya Sutra. And Nyaya means it is also justified by Yukti. Tatra Ukta Yukti Kalapaka. There all this is given. Then Paracha Kama Nanuyanti Balaha. That quotation is given here. Viraktasya Jnanadhikare Manam Aha. Paracha Kama Nanuyanti Balaha. Only that much is given. I know previous mantra. Paranchi Khani Vetrana Swayambhu. That is previous. This is after that. Paracha Kama Nanuyanti Balaha. Te Mrutyor Yanti Vitatasya Pasham. Atha Dhira Amradattam Viditva.
ध्रुवम् अध्रुवेष्विह न प्रार्थयन्ते.
Dhruvam Adhruveshviha Na Prarthayate. Iti evam prakarakam vakya. Then Kamanyah Kamayate Manyamanaha. This Upanishad Mundaka. Sakama Birjayate Tatra Tatra Paryapta Kamasya Kritatmanastu Ihaiva Sarve Praviliyanti Kamaha. Iti aparamapi vakyam purvavat ninda dwara kama nishedakam. These quotations are to give kama ninda. In the previous one, Yamacharya says, those who are extroverted and have kamana, I catch them. And in this one says, person who has kamana, he will end up there. Going here, there, out of kamana only. Ukta Vakyavat. Now, yo akama. This is why I gave you the correction. So akama is actually yo akama. This is from Brahadaranyaka 446. Yo atma kama, akama, nishkamaha. Like that, there is a Shruti. So, the one who is akama is apta kamaha, atma kamaha, etc. Iti cha Shruti. Sakshadeva tan nishedena kamadi anupadrutasya shreyo marge samyak jnane adhikaram suchayati ityartha. So the person, this Shruti Sakshat directly says, who is moksha adhikari or for shreya kamana rahita. Somebody says if all kamanas are gone, that will be the result of Brahma Jnana. Because yada sarve pravidyante, yada sarve pramuchyante, kama yesya hridi shritaha, athamartyo amruto bhavati. So, when all the kamanas go, then that is the result of Brahma Jnana. If all the kamanas go before, then how it will happen? So, first, all the real troubling vasanas you get rid of. Then, some dormant kamanas are there, vasanas are there. as long as they don't express and create trouble in your Shravanadi, then Shravanadi will continue. I will know I am Brahma, I will become Brahmanishta. Then whatever lingering desires are there, they will go away. Chotu motu. Major cleanup will be done through sadhan chatushtaya process. Ityartha. So 2 shlokas we have seen. There are 4 more shlokas. So that paracha kama nityevam kama nityaparam tatha yo kama iti tadvacha shruti kama nishedini. Up to that we have completed. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritam Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.